Only 4 poses. Ready. Front double raise of start. Relax. Side chest with your calf muscle. Relax. Back double biceps with your hamstring and calf muscle. Relax. Front abdomen thigh muscle. Relax. Relax. 126 come forward. 128, 129, 130 and 131. Remaining bodybuilder, but like the same. Thank you for your participation. Just merit question கொடுங்க. Front double base of start. Judges merit question கொடுத்துருங்க. Relax. Front lap spread. Relax. Side chest with your calf muscle. Relax. Back double biceps with your hamstring and calf muscle. Relax. Back lat spread. Relax. Side triceps. Relax. Front abdomen thigh muscle. Relax. Relax. Thank you. Until then, music start. Final pose down.
cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name.
Thank you. Stop music. 129, 131. 131, 129. Thank you, bodybuilder. Please join your line. Fifth place in this category goes to truck number 126. Olivendan from police team. இவரும் தமிழக காவல்துறையை சார்ந்த ஆனகன் என்பதை அன்போடு தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறோம். Thank you. Fourth place goes to truck number 129. 129 Arnish from Chengalpattu district. Thank you. Bronze medal goes to truck number 131 P. Ron from Chennai district. மேடையில் இல்லைங்க, மேடையில் இல்லை. Bronze medal, 2000 rupees cash award, merit certificate and bodybuilder statue. Thank you. Thank you. Silver medal goes to truck number 128 P. Prakash from Salem. Silver medal, merit certificate, 3000 rupees cash award and bodybuilder statue. Gold medal goes to truck number 130 Anderson, Chengalpattu district. Gold medal, merit certificate, 5000 rupees cash award and bodybuilder statue.